Let's learn about multiplication facts. Multiplication fact of 0 says any number multiplied by 0, the answer will always be 0. Like 0 times 9 is equal to 0 and 15 times 0 is equal to 0. This shows when we have 0 in the multiplication equation, we'll get 0 at the end. Multiplication fact of 1 says any number multiplied by 1, the answer will always be that number. 1 times 7 is equal to 7 and 12 times 1 is equal to 12. When we have 1 in the multiplication equation, we'll get that number at the end. Let's go through some more multiplication facts. First we'll have 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. And this whole row shows that when we multiply, and this whole column shows that when we multiply any number by 1, we get the same number. But we have to memorize multiplication facts of rest of the numbers with some logics, with some tricks, or let's say we'll start with 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. Maybe you have noticed a pattern, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this pattern shows that when we skip counting by 2, we'll get multiplication facts of 2. Same is the case over here. Skip counting by 3, we'll get multiplication facts of 3, like 9, 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, and so on. Skip counting by 4, we'll get multiplication facts of 4, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So this whole row and this column shows multiplication facts of 4. Multiplication facts of 5 is very easy to memorize, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Just keep counting by 5, we'll get the next one. Same is the case over here. Skip counting by 6, we'll get multiplication facts of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and so on. And here, this row shows the same thing. Multiplication facts of 7, 8, and 9. There are so many tricks for these multiplication facts. And multiplication facts of 10 is very easy. Just keep counting by 10. We'll get the all multiplication facts of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And same is the case over here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on. Multiplication facts of 11. We just have to keep this thing in mind that we'll get the double-digit number. Like 11 times 1 is 11. 11 times 2 is 22. Same is the case over here. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, and so on. There are many tricks and songs to memorize multiplication facts. I'll give you example of 9. We can do this in different ways. Like first method is by using fingers. We can memorize multiplication facts of 9 by using fingers. Like we have to find 9 times 4. 9 times 4 means we'll fold the fourth finger. And now we have on the right side of this folded finger, we have 6 fingers. This shows the ones. And on the left side of this folded finger, we have 3, which shows the tens place. Means we have 3 tens and we have 6 in the ones place. So 9 times 4 is equal to 36. Now we take another example. 9 times 8 is equal to 72. So 9 times 8 means we'll fold the 8th finger. And now we see that on the right side, we have 2 in the ones place and we have 7 in the tens place. 7 tens means we have 70 and 2 ones means 72. So 9 times 8 is equal to 72. Let's memorize multiplication facts of 9 with some other method. Like we have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Suppose this is the tens place. Now I'm going to write for ones place and I'll start from bottom. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's write the rest part of the equation. 9 times 1 is equal to 9. 9 times 2 is equal to 18. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. 9 times 4 is equal to 36. And so on. 9 times 9 is equal to 81. And 9 times 10 is equal to 90. Another way to check the answer of multiplication facts of 9 is when we add these two digits, we'll get the same answer. We'll get 9. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 3 plus 6 is also equal to 9, and so on. When we'll do with 72, 7 plus 2, 9. We'll get the same result with 8 plus 1 and with 9 plus 0. My suggestion is that for multiplication facts of any number, instead of focusing on songs and tricks, the best thing is to memorize if you want to solve the question fast. My suggestion is that if you want to memorize multiplication facts, don't focus and rely on songs and tricks. Try to memorize all the multiplication facts, and this will make multiplication process quick and more speedy.